I'll guide you through how to cancel a Microsoft 365 subscription without being charged again for a service you no longer need. If you're looking to end your subscription because you're not using the features, or you want to switch to a different plan and so need to cancel your Microsoft 365 membership, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. Before we begin, remember that your subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing cycle. You may also be eligible for a refund if you cancel within 30 days of purchase or renewal. Here's the easiest way to cancel. Open a web browser on your computer or phone and go directly to account.microsoft.com. This is the central hub for managing all your Microsoft products. Make sure you sign in with the exact Microsoft account that you used to purchase a subscription. This is a common mistake, so double check your credentials. Once you're signed in, look for your profile icon or name in the top right corner. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select My Microsoft Account. From there, you will see a list of options. Click on Services and Subscriptions. On the Services and Subscriptions page, find your Microsoft 365 subscription. You'll see a Manage button next to it. Click Manage, and on the next page, you'll see a Cancel Subscription option. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the cancellation. You might be offered a special deal to stay, but you can simply decline to proceed with the cancellation. Now that you've learned how to cancel a Microsoft 365 subscription, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more YouTube video tutorials. Thanks for watching.